Natural home remedies to reduce belly fat. Losing weight is not an easy task for many people. It takes a lot of time, dedication, and efforts. But did you know that there are natural remedies for belly fat? These remedies can help you reduce your belly fat without any side effects. There are many natural remedies which you can try to reduce your belly fat at home. Just a friendly reminder that this video is only meant to teach, so if you have any health concerns, please talk to your doctor. Here are some home remedies that might help to lose belly fat. Number 1. Chilli pepper. Intake of capsicum or chili pepper may be related to the reduction of accumulated fat in the body. Also, capsicum might be valuable to promote the use of fat collected in the body. You can put capsicum in your foods and vegetable dishes to help in reducing fat in the belly. Number 2. Ginger. Ginger may offer many health benefits for people wanting to reduce belly fat. Taking ginger is associated with enhanced fat metabolism in the body. Ginger could also facilitate the usage of fat in the body. Taking ginger also helps reduce fat storage in the body, causing an overall reduction in body weight. Number 3. Turmeric. Turmeric has many health advantages. Turmeric may reduce the fat deposit in the body. It could help reduce body fat and body weight as per animal studies. You can mix some turmeric in a glass of warm water and take it every morning to reduce belly fat. Number 4. Cumin. Cumin has many health benefits and is often used for dealing with diarrhea and other stomach diseases. In addition, intake of cumin may help enhance fat breakdown in the body and reduce the appetite. These benefits of cumin might help you reduce belly fat and attain a healthy weight yourself. You can put cumin in various foods, dishes, and salads. Number 5. Lemon. Lemon is valuable for health in preventing lifestyle-related illnesses. For example, lemon helps promote fat metabolism and reduce body weight and fat accumulation. Lemon might help reduce the accumulation of belly fat. Add some lemon juice to a glass of warm water and drink it in the morning on an empty stomach. Number 6. Green tea. Green tea is a popular beverage used to maintain health and is helpful in preventing numerous diseases. Green tea intake could reduce fat accumulation, as per several animal studies. Other benefits like reduction in body weight and fatty tissues have also been observed. Brew a cup of green tea and drink it every morning to help reduce belly fat and manage weight. Number 7. Exercise. Doing a moderate amount of physical exercise may help combat belly fat. You can start by doing 30 minutes of exercise each day to help manage belly fat and reduce weight. You can slowly increase your exercise duration. Exercising with weights, strength training, is an effective way to manage belly fat. Another effective exercise is sit-ups, spot exercise. Number 8. Healthy diet. Diet is one of the most important things that affects how much fat builds up in the body. You should pay close attention to what you eat and how much you eat. Make sure you eat vegetables, fruit, and whole grains every day. Stay away from simple carbs like white bread, soda, and refined grains. Here are some good ways to eat that will help you live a healthy life. 1. Make sure your diet contains enough vitamins and minerals for healthy living. 2. Avoid going on extreme diets, less than 1,100 calories a day, as it's not safe, and there is no evidence to support that it works. 3. Learn about other ways to manage stress besides frequent snacking, such as meditation or yoga. 4. Make healthy food choices at home as well as in restaurants. 5. Choose healthier snacking options. 6. Read the nutrition labels at the back when you shop for groceries. Making suitable diet changes and changing eating habits is an effective way to reduce belly fat. You can also talk to your doctor if the home remedies don't help and the extra fat is making you sick. Talk to your doctor and find out what you need to know about your health. If you like this video, please click like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss a video from our channel.